Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're talking about how to make your home look and feel more luxurious without spending a fortune. It's all about small, strategic upgrades that have a big impact. So, if you want to give your space a high-end feel, stick around for these 5 easy and affordable tips. Creating a luxury look isn't about buying expensive items, it's about paying attention to details, using the right materials, and making smart choices. Whether you're renting or in your home, you can transform any space with these ideas, from lighting upgrades to choosing the right textiles. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Swap out light fixtures. Light fixtures can completely change the feel of a room. Consider swapping basic light fittings with chandeliers, pendant lights, or even modern wall sconces. You can find affordable options online, in stores like B&Q or The Range, or even in second-hand shops. Choose styles that match your home's aesthetic, whether it's a minimalist look or a vintage feel. Tip number 2. Use larger rugs. Most people choose rugs that are too small for their space, making a room feel disjointed. A larger rug helps anchor your furniture and defines the room's boundaries, giving it a more cohesive, expensive look. A tip: make sure the front legs of your sofas or chairs are on the rug. This ties everything together beautifully. Tip number 3. Add trim and molding. Adding trim or molding to your walls can give any room a polished, upscale appearance. Whether it's crown molding, wainscoting, or decorative panels, you can install them yourself using DIY kits. Just paint them in a complementary color to your walls for that seamless, elegant look. Tip number 4. Upgrade your hardware. Door handles, drawer pulls, and cabinet knobs might seem insignificant, but they can make a huge difference. Replacing outdated hardware with modern or vintage styles can instantly elevate your space. Choose brass, matte black, or brushed nickel finishes for a sleek, sophisticated look. Tip number 5. Go for neutral paint colors. Neutral paint colors like beige, gray, and soft whites make spaces look larger, cleaner, and more refined. They're the perfect backdrop for any decor style and can make a room feel more open and airy. Plus, neutral tones are timeless and appeal to a wider audience if you're considering selling your home. Try out these budget-friendly ideas and watch your home transform. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.